The Happiest Man on Earth, The Beautiful Life of an Auschwitz Survivor. Jaku. Eddie Jaku's memoir, The Happiest Man on Earth, is a deeply moving and inspiring account of resilience, hope, and the extraordinary power of kindness and gratitude. Born in Germany in 1920, Jaku's story spans the harrowing events of the Holocaust, where he endured unimaginable suffering in concentration camps, including Auschwitz, and lost much of his family. Yet, it is not solely a tale of despair, it is a testament to the human spirit's capacity to endure and triumph. The book is written in a warm, conversational style, making Jaku's wisdom feel personal and heartfelt. His reflections on the darkest periods of his life are unflinchingly honest, but what makes his memoir truly remarkable is his unwavering commitment to living with joy, even in the face of immense adversity. Jaku's philosophy, that happiness comes from friendship, love, and gratitude, shines throughout the narrative, offering valuable lessons for readers from all walks of life. At just over 200 pages, the book is a quick but impactful read. Jaku doesn't dwell on excessive details, instead, he focuses on the core moments and lessons that shaped his outlook on life. His anecdotes, from the horrors of the camps to the kindness of strangers and the rebuilding of his life after the war, are poignant and thought-provoking. The Happiest Man on Earth is more than a Holocaust memoir. It is a guide to appreciating the beauty of life, even in its imperfections. Jaku's message of love and forgiveness is especially resonant in today's world, where division often overshadows unity. This book is a must-read for those seeking inspiration and a reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. Eddie Jaku's life is a beacon of hope, and his story will stay with you long after you turn the final page. Rating: 5 out of 5.